Hare Krishna. So I'm going to demonstrate how Hatsada number 3, 4, and 5 can be used as a Ghat or a long tehai in Kirtan. So this is a beat I actually composed, and it's based upon those 3 Hatsada mantras. So the mantra will go, and if you count it on your fingers, we want to get it to 16 beats. So teregina, 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 tigitagi, teregina, giridagi, teregina. Actually, so that would be 16 for the first half. So I'm gonna go half that speed. So teregina, 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 tigitagi, teregina, giridagi, teregina, 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 tigitagi, teregina, giridagi, teregina, tigitagi, teregina, giridagi, teregina, ja, cut. Tikitagi, teregina, giridagi, teregina, ja, cut. Tikitagi, teregina, giridagi, teregina, day. And then it starts the first beat of the next cycle. So what it is basically, you play Hatsada number 5, and then you play Hatsada number 4 one time, but you'll play everything open on the big side. So instead of tiki taki tere kita, you'll just do tiki taki tere kita. Same thing, just open. And then you'll play Hatsada number 3, and then you play Hatsada 4, and then the ending tehai will be tiki taki tere kita kita taki tere kita ja. Good. That's it. So I'm going to demonstrate that one time, and then we will show how it can be applied in Kirtan. My brother's going to help me, and he's going to play and sing on the kartals. So first I'll just demonstrate it without singing. So teregina, 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 tiki taki teregina, gida taki teregina, 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 tiki taki teregina, gida taki teregina, tiki taki teregina, gida taki teregina, ja, tiki taki teregina, gida taki teregina, ja, tiki taki teregina, gida taki teregina.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.
So you'll have noticed on the last one that I played the tiki taki tere kitas, all of them closed. So I didn't even play the first one completely open like the others. So that's also an option. It's up to you. You can change it. Alright, I hope you found this helpful. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.